Hey everybody, what's up? It's your favorite girl, J Khaled, and today we are going to talk about hair. Glorious hair. I know I've been away for quite some time, which you got me on that one. But I'm back to do this video. I felt like I really needed to because the quality of this hair that I have is just so good, and I think that people need to know about it, so why not film a video about it, right? The number one rule when it comes up to purchasing hair and quality hair extensions is that you get what you pay for. That being said, I've had my fair share of quality AliExpress hair, which I can do a video on too. Thumbs up if you think I should do that. But there comes a point where it's like you want to treat yourself, or you want hair that's gonna be quality, and you know that for sure. That's why I went ahead and decided to film this video today. Today we are going to talk about the company, which is Connecticut based, and excuse me if I'm looking down, I'm just looking at my little phone here. I just want to make sure I get everything right for y'all. It's called Luxway by Monai. She is a Connecticut based business owner. She's more than just a business owner. She's on the radio, she does social media, she has her own little celebrity news outlet, which is really cool as well. I decided to support her because she's a part of the girl gang, and me being a fellow business owner as well, I know that it's very important to start to build clientele. So I decided to go ahead and give her a try, and I am glad I did. Very glad I did. As you can tell from the description, we're going to talk about a Brazilian water wave. Yes, this is the Brazilian water wave in my hair right now. Has been straightened and curled, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Also check the description box below so that you can go straight to her Instagram or her website where you can buy it. Like I said, this was the Brazilian water wave. If I have any clips, I'll go ahead and add it in. If not, if I didn't put any clips into hair, I'll make a note somewhere, and I'm gonna redirect you to my Instagram page, which is right here. That's J Khaled. You can go on there and you'll see I posted multiple times about this hair in its natural texture, which is absolutely gorgeous, in just an effortless kind of spiral curl after it's been wet. So I say fuck with it, girl, fuck with it. It comes right below my chest here, and I'm about 5'6", you know, 5 feet 6 inches, and this is a 24 inch, so it's pretty long. I think it's actually a little bit longer than 24 inches, which is always a plus, but it's definitely within that neighborhood. But basically what I was saying, that this texture of water wave was very like a shake and go type of hair, literally. It just felt like it was a one donor hair. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but one donor hair is when you get bundles literally from one person's head, basically. It felt like one donor head, just because of how natural and how smooth the hair was. Like, look, I'm running my hair through it now. It's been about a month since I got this hair installed, but I haven't needed to put any shampoo on this because this hair is just so effortless. You know, the quality is so good. It takes to products well, and even then I don't have to put a lot of products in it. Even if I was to not sleep with a bonnet on at night, I would wake up, I can shake my hair, put a little wet my hands, zhuzh it, and then I'm good, and I can go about my business in my day. So I mentioned the thickness of it already. The wefts, when I took a look at it, it was definitely constructed well. I don't have any additional pieces that I can show you guys because we've pretty much fit most of it in there, and I didn't have anything else. Actually, let me go check. Okay, no, I didn't have I didn't have any left, but the wefts were constructed very strong. They were done very well. It's thick hair, and it's giving you thick and luscious without giving you helmet and hat. The frontal construction of this hair was amazing. It was a 14, is it 3 inch by 14, is it? Or 4 by 14 inch closer. I'm gonna put the right one here. I'm not exactly sure on the specifics of it, but it was pretty long. The part, it goes all the way back here. So my frontal is back here, and this is the front of the frontal hair. So that is a lot of parting space. Even then it goes to the sides, and then she had to cut some off like typical when she did my hair. and you are left with a lot of room to work with it. The knots on this frontal were like non-existent, and it was not bleached prior to me receiving it. I got some hair from Maven, and the knots on the Maven lace was huge. You don't need a telescope for that. You can see it 5 miles away. They were huge. But this, like, it's like they weren't even there. It's like someone pre-bleached my freaking knots in my frontal. And that's what really impressed me. So when I first saw that, I was like, ooh, you get brownie points. Ooh, shedding really isn't that bad on there. Like I said, I probably get 3 strands a day. Even then, it's not every day. It's just like 3 strands sometimes on a particular day. If I'm being extra rough with my hair, I'll probably get a little bit more than that, but I'm running my hands through it right now. Probably got like 1 or 2 strands, and that's after me. I did my hair today, but I didn't really brush it. I just picked up my curling iron and just started curling it because it still had curls left into it. So that's one other thing I want to talk about. This hair straightens so beautifully. It holds a curl for dear life. Like, it holds this curl the way you wanted Rose to hold on to Jack at the end of Titanic. Not the way she did, because she let that nigga go quick. But the way you wanted her to hold on to him is how this hair holds on to a curl, honey. Because if you get it wet, the curls will start to form back again. I haven't curled it back up since I straightened it because I'm just loving the thickness. I'm loving the volume of this hair. The look it's giving me is the look I want. It's my favorite type of look, just thick, healthy, beautiful, flowy hair. The inches that I got was 20, 22, 24, and a 16-inch frontal. That all came up with this luster here. As you can see, this is pretty thick for 3 bundles in a closure. To me, this is like a good head of hair. That's all you need. I know a lot of girls do 5 bundles sometimes, feel like you need that to get that fullness. I did not need that with these bundles here, and I'm usually a 4 bundle girl, 1 frontal type of situation I usually have going on. But that was not the case for this hair, especially since I know it's going to be curly. It was already going to have a little bit of volume, but the fact that I can straighten it and that it still has its volume, to me, is just like amazing. Do I recommend this hair? Absolutely. I think everyone should get a couple bundles from this girl and install it. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do I rate this hair? I would give it an 8.59. Okay, in between those two, just because I'm enjoying it so much. It's been a month since I've had it, and I see it going on for a very strong time. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything you need to know about this hair in the description box below, along with all my social media handles. I suggest you going on there and checking out the hair in its natural texture as well. Like I said, if I didn't put it in this video, and then follow me on social media, just because why not, you know? Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this hair, the quality of this hair, you can always comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. Thumbs up if you want to do an AliExpress video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.